Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we will learn a short speech on believe in yourself. Good morning everyone. My name is Rakesh. Today, I want to remind you of something very important. You are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Believe in yourself. These three words can change your life. When you believe in yourself, you can do anything. You can achieve your dreams and overcome challenges. Don't listen to people who say you cannot do something. Listen to your heart and believe in yourself. I believe in myself and I know you can too. So go out there and chase your dreams. Believe in yourself and anything is possible. Thank you.